Welcome, math friends. Now you have a question from application of derivatives. In the NCERT text from the exercise 6.1, question number 8. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 centimeter cube of gas per second. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. When a spherical balloon, it is supposed to be spherical always, is inflated, the rate of increase of volume is given to be 900 centimeter cube per second, and we are asked to find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases at r is equal to 50 when the radius is 15 centimeter. That is, if V is the volume of the balloon, we are given dV by dt to be 900 centimeter cube per second, and you are asked to find out dr by dt at r equals 50. Now, volume of a sphere is given as 4 by 3 pi r cube. How to find the derivative of the volume with respect to time? We can find the derivative with respect to radius. Then, if it is multiplied by derivative of radius with respect to time, we will get dV by dt. We shall see what is dV by dr. That is derivative of volume with respect to a radius. That is 4 by 3 pi into 3 r square. 4 by 3 is a constant there. Then derivative of r cube is 3r square. So it is equal to 4 pi r square. Now dV by dt is equal to dV by dr multiplied by dr by dt. We cannot get dV by dt directly. The volume increases as the radius increases. So we can find out what is the derivative of volume with respect to radius, that is dV by dr. When it is multiplied by the rate of change of radius with respect to time, we get rate of change of volume with respect to time. Here it is rate of change of volume with respect to radius, and it is multiplied by rate of change of radius with respect to time. Now dV by dt is given to be 900 is equal to dV by dr is 4 pi r square into dr by dt. Therefore, dr by dt is equal to 900 divided by 4 pi r square. Now we want to find out dV by dt when r equals 50. That's equal to 900 divided by 4 pi into 15 into 50. That is 1 by pi. 900 and 900 got cancelled. 1 by pi centimeter per second. Once again, you are given derivative of volume with respect to time. Derivative of volume with respect to time is derivative of volume with respect to radius multiplied by derivative of radius with respect to time. Substituted for dv by dt, that is 900. Then dv by dr is calculated to be 4 pi r square. Then it is multiplied by dr by dt. For finding dr by dt, we have divided 900 by 4 pi r square, and to get the required answer, you substitute for r. When r is given the value 15, the answer is 1 by pi centimeter per second. Okay.